Would you like to know how to combat the effects of jet lag? With just a few essential oils and the recipes that I have for you, you're going to be able to know how to take care of your body and feel rested when you reach your travel destination. Hi, this is Rebecca Park TOTILO, and today I want to tell you about the essential oils to use for jet lag. With essential oils, you can vastly improve your travel experience by being able to sit back and relax during the flight, arriving at your destination fresh without the jet lag. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a bonus for you with recipes for you to have on hand for avoiding that dreaded jet lag and other travel woes like motion sickness, anxiety, and more. So what is jet lag? Depending on whether you are a world traveler who has stacked up thousands and thousands of frequent flyer miles, or just someone who's planned an annual vacation to a far-off distant location, you've likely experienced what many refer to as jet lag, which can have a profound effect on your sleep and your alertness. Millions of travelers suffer from this common sleep disorder every day, which results from an imbalance in the human body's natural biological clock. And this is what tells the body what to do at what time, such as when you go to sleep or when you eat. But because of the sudden change in the body's 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm, jet lag results from long-distance travel across multiple time zones on high-speed aircraft. Circadian rhythms measure the sharp rise and fall of body temperatures, plasma's levels of certain hormones, and other biological conditions, which are influenced by the retina's exposure to sunlight. Many people didn't know that, but that's what helps determine when to sleep and when to wake. So while you're traveling to different time zones, the body's rhythms are slow to adjust and remain in the original biological schedule for several days. This condition of jet lag may last for several days when a traveler is feeling like it's time to go to bed when it's really in the middle of the afternoon, or staying awake during the middle of the night. Nobody wants that. Some of the symptoms you may experience with jet lag include sleep disturbance, maybe trouble falling asleep when flying east, maybe awakening earlier than usual when traveling west, or fatigue, or increased irritability, lack of appetite, and dehydration, which all of these can cause headaches. So let's talk now about which essential oils you should use for jet lag. Eucalyptus. Now, this oil is effective in combating the effects of colds and flus. It's perfect for sore muscles and joints. Its health benefits attributed to it being anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic. It's a decongestant, deodorant, antiseptic, antibacterial, and stimulating. And this can help cool your body down when it's too hot and protect it when it's too cold. It's also used to relieve congestion, it can support the circulation, and it brings lightness to those who are weary from travel. Frankincense, this is another one of my favorites. This one is renowned as being antiseptic. It eliminates germs, it cleans wounds, and it helps to prevent infection. This one is also known as a sedative oil or sedative, if you will. It helps to reduce stress, it helps with anxiety, it even helps with anger. So this is one of those oils that really promotes relaxation and it calms the mental state. Ginger is a wonderful oil, again, for colds and flus. It's also great for motion sickness and nausea. It helps with rheumatism, colds, coughs, circulation issues. So this one is a great oil because of its warming properties, and it helps to relieve muscular cramps, spasms, aches, and all that stiffness in your joints from sitting in a long flight. And I have another oil that I love so much. This one is lemon. I love this oil because it's so bright and cheerful. It helps with digestion. A lot of people have struggled when they travel and their system gets off from all the foods they're eating. This one also boosts energy, and it's great for just inhaling the fragrance. It's beneficial for the circulatory system. It aids with the blood flow. It helps reduce blood pressure and even nosebleeds if you get one of those while you're traveling. So this is a great oil to have on hand. It helps with fevers, sore throats, bronchitis, cold sores, herpes, and so on. So there's just so many uses for it. Another one similar to that, but is from the grass family, is called lemongrass. It smells a lot like lemon, except it's got that more lemony sweetness to it. This one is also good for hormones. It helps to stabilize and reset the body's biological clock. And it helps for you in the sense that it quickly helps you get over the jet lag. So lemongrass fortifies the nervous system. It can be used in a bath. It's good for muscular nerves and pain, and it has an outstanding reputation for keeping insects away, so it can help you in outdoor sports if you're playing golf or doing something like that. It's also good for athlete's foot. So you want to have this one on hand to help with nervousness, anxiety, maybe for a headache or any kind of respiratory illness or anything that might be trying to get on you while you're traveling. So as you can see, there's a wide variety of choices for you that are indispensable for your travel kit and will help you in traveling with less stress, less anxiety, and to help you treat some of those symptoms that may be travel related. These oils will also help you with supporting your immune system while traveling around all those people, help you to get a good night's sleep before, during, and after your trip. Now, as I promised, I mentioned that I had some essential oil recipes for you for jet lag. I'm going to share the link here for you and also put it down in the description. I want you to go over and visit our website. We have a lot of recipes for you for making products that you can take along with you on the airplane. Now, keep in mind that there is a liquid limitation rule when traveling, like 100 ml travel size in the containers, but you can really reduce everything to just a small sample size, if you will, and these can easily fit into any of the products, can fit inside a Ziploc plastic bag. So you'll be able to take maybe a roll-on with you or one of those inhalers, maybe take a diffuser blend or something that you can use in your room for treating. I even have another recipe here that's for fear of flying if you happen to suffer from that. And so go ahead, run over to our website, take a look at that, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment below if these have been helpful tips for you. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.